All right, guys, can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm doing this. Here's the gestures for a couple people who really wanted to see them to study by ourselves. If a number is inside, added or subtracted, it shifts your graph left or right, opposite of what you think. If the number is outside, added or subtracted, it shifts your graph up or down, exactly like you think. If there's a negative in front of either the absolute value or the parentheses or square root, it reflects your graph across the x-axis. If the negative is inside the square root or absolute value, whatever, it reflects it across the y-axis. If a number is in the front that's bigger than 1, it's a vertical stretch of your graph by that number. If the number in front is less than 1, it's a vertical shrink of that number. If the number is inside and multiplied, right in front of the x, like 4x or 3x, if it's bigger than 1, it's a horizontal shrink by the reciprocal of that number. And if it's a number that's multiplied inside that is less than 1, like a fraction, it is a horizontal stretch by the reciprocal of that number. There you go. Okay, that was embarrassing, but I hope it helps.